Every once in a while, a piece of technology comes along that doesn't just improve the game, it completely changes it. And the moment I saw the DJI Mavic 4 Pro for the first time, I had one question. Has DJI finally built the perfect drone? This isn't just another drone with a better camera. It isn't just another yearly upgrade. What you're about to see could completely change the way filmmakers, travel creators, and YouTubers capture the world from above. So before you decide whether this drone deserves your money, watch this video until the very end, because there's one feature I'll reveal later that honestly made me stop and say, okay, this changes everything. Welcome back to Drone Dominator, the place where we test the latest drones and creator gear to help you make the right buying decision. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and if you're looking for cinematic quality, powerful performance, and next-level technology, you picked the perfect video. The first thing you'll notice isn't the camera, it's the confidence. The moment this drone lifts off, it feels incredibly smooth, locked in, and responsive. Every movement is precise, every turn feels effortless, and within seconds, you realize this drone wasn't designed just to fly, it was designed to create. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the camera. DJI has taken image quality to another level. The Mavic 4 Pro captures stunning detail, rich colors, and incredible dynamic range that makes every scene feel alive. Whether you're filming golden hour over the ocean, a busy downtown skyline, or snow-covered mountains, the footage looks absolutely breathtaking. And here's what really impressed me. The colors don't look fake. They look natural. The shadows keep their detail. The highlights stay under control, and that gives your footage a true cinematic look without spending hours color grading. Here's something every filmmaker should remember. A great drone captures beautiful footage. A legendary drone captures emotion. That's exactly what the Mavic 4 Pro helps you do. The multi-camera system gives you incredible creative freedom. You can switch perspectives in seconds, creating shots that would normally require multiple cameras and multiple flights. That flexibility opens the door to storytelling instead of simply recording video. Now don't skip ahead, because coming up, I'll show you the feature that completely separates the Mavic 4 Pro from almost every professional drone on the market today. And trust me, it's worth waiting for. Now let's talk about something that matters just as much as the camera, flight performance. Because a drone can have an amazing camera, but if it doesn't feel reliable in the air, it doesn't matter. And this is where the DJI Mavic 4 Pro truly stands out. The moment you start flying, you feel the difference. The controls are smooth, the movements are incredibly accurate, and the drone responds exactly how you expect it to. Whether you're creating slow cinematic movements or fast action shots, the Mavic 4 Pro gives you the confidence to capture the perfect moment. Wind is another challenge that every drone creator faces, but this drone is built to handle demanding conditions. It stays stable, keeps your shots smooth, and lets you focus on creating instead of fighting the environment. The intelligent flight features are where DJI's experience really shows. The drone can help you create complex cinematic shots that would normally require years of flying experience. Imagine capturing a moving subject while the drone automatically keeps the perfect angle, or creating a dramatic reveal shot with just a few simple controls. These features don't replace creativity, but they give creators more freedom to bring their ideas to life. And that's what separates good technology from great technology. Great gear doesn't make the story for you, it gives you the tools to tell a better one. Another area where the Mavic 4 Pro impresses is safety. The advanced obstacle sensing technology helps the drone understand its surroundings and fly with more confidence. Of course, smart flying still requires a responsible pilot, but having extra awareness in the air can make a huge difference. Battery performance is also extremely important for creators. You don't want your best idea to end because your drone needs to land. The Mavic 4 Pro gives you the freedom to explore locations, try different angles, and capture more shots during every flight. But here's the question everyone wants answered. Is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro worth buying? If you're a filmmaker, creator, travel enthusiast, or someone who wants the best aerial footage possible, this drone brings a level of quality and freedom that's hard to ignore. It combines a powerful camera system, smooth flight performance, intelligent features, and a professional creative experience into one incredible package. And the best part? It doesn't just help you record the world, it helps you show the world from a completely different perspective. Now let's talk about the feature that many people overlook, the creative possibilities. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro isn't just impressive because of its hardware, it's impressive because it gives creators more ways to tell stories. A simple landscape can become a cinematic masterpiece. A normal travel moment can feel like a movie scene. And a regular day can turn into content that people actually want to watch. That's the real power of a drone like this. When you have a tool that responds quickly, flies confidently, and captures incredible detail, you stop thinking about limitations and start thinking about ideas. Here's something every creator should remember. The best camera in the world is useless if you don't have a story to tell. The magic happens when technology meets creativity. And that's exactly the experience DJI is trying to create with the Mavic 4 Pro. Another thing that makes this drone special is the professional-level workflow. The footage you capture isn't just good enough for social media. It gives creators the quality and flexibility needed for serious projects, commercial videos, and cinematic productions. Whether you're shooting a travel documentary, building a YouTube channel, creating real estate videos, or simply capturing unforgettable memories, this drone gives you the confidence to aim higher. Now let's answer the biggest question. Who is this drone really for? If you're a beginner who only wants a simple drone for occasional flights, this might be more than you need. But if you're someone who cares about image quality, creative control, and getting the absolute best shots possible, the Mavic 4 Pro is built for that mindset. It represents what modern drone technology is all about, making professional filmmaking easier and putting powerful tools in the hands of creators everywhere. After looking at the camera, the flight performance, the smart features, and the overall experience, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is clearly designed for people who don't just want to fly a drone, they want to create something unforgettable. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on notifications because we have more amazing drone reviews, creator gear, and future technology videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.